Gattu Chinky go to water park. Gattu Chinky and their parents were having dinner together. The next day, all four of them were going to the water park, and Gattu Chinky were very excited.
Dad, I'm really very excited for tomorrow. And I also want that swim tube. Yes, Dad. Swim tubes are necessary for going to the water park. But Gattu and I don't have any.
All right, Gattu Chinky, you both don't worry. I'll get you both swim tubes tomorrow. Just make sure you wake up on time in the morning because we need to leave from here by 9 o'clock to reach the water park on time.
What? Is that water park very far from here, Papa? Yes, Gattu. The water park is outside the city, which means it's almost 50 kilometers away from here. So it will take us at least 2 hours to get there. Oh, alright then, Mummy. Gattu and I will wake up early and get ready on time.
After saying so, Gattu Chinky quickly finish their dinner and go to sleep. Early in the morning, both of them really wake up on time and get ready. Mummy and Papa were also ready, and then everyone gets in the car and leaves for the water park. When they are about to reach the water park, Papa stops the car at one place.
What happened, Dad? Have we reached the water park?
Oh, no, Gattu. It will take some time to reach the water park.
Then why have we stopped here, Papa?
Gattu Chinky, look over there. The shop on the other side of the road has swim tubes for you both. But you all stay in the car. I'll go and get them because it's very hot outside.
Okay, Papa, please get a red one for me. Yes, Papa, and yellow one for me.
Okay, kids. Now you wait, I'll go get them. Then Papa quickly gets the swim tubes from the shop and everyone reaches the water park. Outside the water park, when Gattu Chinky and Mummy Papa buy tickets, everyone gets colorful handbands to put on.
Wow, these bands are so cute. Mummy, Papa, Chinky, I can't wait any longer. Let's go inside quickly. I want to go on lots of water rides. Yes, Mummy, Papa, let's go fast. Gattu Chinky, we need to do one more thing first. We all need to change our clothes and put on our swimming costumes. Chinky, you come with me. And Gattu, you go with Papa and change quickly. Okay? Okay, Mummy.
Gattu Chinky quickly change their clothes and then finally head towards the swimming pool. There were many people. Music was playing and there were lots of fun rides.
Wow, there are so many people here and everyone is enjoying so much. It looks like we are going to have a great time too. Papa, let's go on that big water ride where we have to sit on a large tube and then we have to slide down. No, I want to go on that water slide which is not much high.
No problem, Gattu. You come with me on the big ride. And Chinky, you go with your mummy on the smaller ride. Then we'll all meet in the swimming pool.
Okay, Papa.
Then Gattu goes with Papa on the big water ride, where they get a large tube. Papa and Gattu sit together in the tube. Gattu, make sure to hold the handles of the tube tightly, okay?
Yes, Papa. I'm holding on tight. Yay!
Then they both went down the water ride and both have a lot of fun. Meanwhile, Chinky was enjoying various water slides with Mummy. Sometimes she goes on the spiral water slide and sometimes on the closed water slide. Then Gattu, Chinky and Mummy Papa all met at the swimming pool. Gattu Chinky put on their swim tubes and play with each other in the water, splashing water at one another.
How about this? Take this. You too. Have this.
Just then Papa comes from behind and splashes a lot of water on everyone, making them all laugh. After playing in the water so much, Gattu Chinky become very hungry.
Mummy, Papa, I'm really very hungry now. Yes, Mummy. After playing so much, all my energy is down. All right, let's go to the canteen. Okay.
Then all four of them went to the canteen inside the water park and had lunch.
So tell me, Gattu Chinky, what do you want to eat to recharge your energy? I want to eat a burger. I had already decided at home that I want to eat a burger. And I want to eat a sandwich.
Mummy Papa order the food. And after waiting for a while, their lunch arrives.
Wow, Mom, this burger is really very tasty. Yes, and these sandwiches are also quite fresh and yummy, Mummy. Yes, kids, everything is very nice. You all enjoy your meal. Mummy, after this, can we go back to that pool where everyone was playing with that ball? I still want to play more. Yes, Tinky. You can play as much as you want. Okay, but first, finish your lunch.
Gattu Chinky finished their lunch and then went back to play in the pool. They enjoyed themselves thoroughly until evening. Then everyone returns back home.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.